calm down.
10 ឃ្លាអង់គ្លេសដែលយើងអាចប្រើដើម្បីប្រាប់នរណាម្នាក់ឲ្យធ្វើចិត្តឲ្យស្ងប់ទប់អារម្មណ៍ហើយមិនមានប្រតិកម្មនឹងអ្វីមួយ 1. Calm down. Calm down.
Oh, calm down.
2. Stay cool. Stay cool.
Stay cool. Stay cool. Stay cool.
Stay cool.
3. Keep cool. Keep cool.
Keep cool, Simpson.
Keep it cool.
Just keep cool.
4. Chill out. Chill out.
Chill out. Chill out.
Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out.
Chill out, look.
Chill out. Chill out, man. Chill out.
5. Relax. Relax.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
6. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Take it easy. I'm gonna.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
7. Settle down. Settle down.
Settle down. Settle down. Down, boys. Settle down.
Okay. Settle down.
8. Hold your horses. Hold your horses.
Hold your horses. Hold your horses, okay?
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses, hold your horses.
9. Simmer down. Simmer down.
Simmer down. Simmer down.
You need to simmer down.
Simmer down. Gee, simmer down.
10. Loosen up. Loosen up.
Yeah, loosen up.
Loosen up, baby. Loosen up.
Loosen up.